are the one we run to. Even though this world keeps changing, I am joyful because you never change. This world we live in is difficult, my companion. Lord, I ask you to give me strength. Strength to stay silent before the things I would speak that do not bring honor to you. So Lord, the tongue you gave me, let it be guided by you, because it carries great power. Anyone who does not sin in what they say is truly a righteous person. Such a person can even control their whole body, just like we put bits in the mouths of horses so they obey us, and with those bits we can turn their whole bodies. So Lord, you gave me, let it be guided by you, because it carries great power. And look at ships, even if they are large and driven by strong winds, a very small rudder directs them where the captain wants. So it is with the tongue placed within our bodies. It has the power to destroy the whole body, because it can set our nature on